So today we'll be making beginners friendly cake at home. So first of all, measure 1 cup of granulated sugar. So if you want it to be sweet, in my house we don't eat sweet things. So I don't like it being sweet because my husband loves this cake. So and he doesn't like sweet gluten. So that's why I'm using 1 cup of sugar. So if you want yours to be sugary, more sugar, you can go ahead and use 2 cups of sugar. That will be fine. So I use 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of butter. Go ahead and put these two ingredients into your mixing bowl and go ahead and start mixing it. Have you liked this video yet? If you have not, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and keep watching. Don't click out. Just know that I am watching you on a plasma TV. So on another bowl, we are going to be mixing our flour. So what I use, the quantity flour I use here is 4 cups of all-purpose flour. That's what I use. Go ahead and save that in a bowl. After saving it, you are going to go ahead and measure 6 tablespoons of baking powder into it. 6 tablespoons. So approximately 1 cup of flour is taking 1.5 tablespoon of baking powder. So if you are using 2 cups of all-purpose flour, then you will be needing 3 tablespoons of baking powder. But because we are using 4 cups of all-purpose flour, so we'll be needing 6 tablespoons of baking powder. So go ahead and mix that already. Add in tablespoon, not tablespoon, half tablespoon of salt to it and keep it as. So while the sugar and butter is still mixing, because we are going to mix it to be fluffy, so get another bowl, your eggs. Go ahead and break your eggs. So in total we use 8 eggs. Pour in your vanilla extract. We use 1 tablespoon. Then you're going to go ahead and coat your pan. We're going to be coating our pan with butter. If you don't have butter, you can use any oil of your choice. You can use olive oil, any oil of your choice. You're going to use it to just make sure the pan is coated with oil or butter. Okay. So after that, we're going to be putting parchment paper to it. So while you are doing this, make sure you have already on your oven to preheat it, because we're going to bake this at heated oven at 350 degrees Celsius. Okay, we are going to preheat your oven while you are doing this. Okay, so yeah, you see that parchment paper is squared, so I want to make it circle so that it can fit in my pan. That's why I give it that cutting so I can get circle. Yeah. So yeah, look at that. Butter and sugar is already fluffy. We're going to be adding our egg bit by bit to it. Have you watched up until this moment? I have not liked this video yet. What are you waiting for? Please go ahead and give me a thumbs up so you don't forget when the video is finished. Okay? Give me a thumbs up, and you have not subscribed. If this is what you would love to come back and watch, although this is not the only type of video I make all that, any kind of Nigerian delicacy, Nigerian food that you would love to eat, just search it on this channel. You are going to get it. Or better still, subscribe and turn on your notifications so that anytime I upload my video, you will get notified that, oh, I have uploaded. So look at that. So after this, we are going to take this out and bring it as. Now we are going to do cut and fold. So get that flour that you have mixed before. So and start mixing it. First of all, go in and add evaporated milk. I use evaporated milk. You can use any milk of your choice. Okay, so we are now using water to make this cake. In total, we use 3.5 cup of evaporated milk. So we are going to be adding your add milk, add your flour, cut and fold. Add, cut and fold. That's all. That's all we do here until until your batter is well combined and yummy. This cake is so yummy. It's so delicious. So we normally use this to take drink hot chocolate. Yes, Milo tea. Anyone you can call it. Hot chocolate. Just mix your hot chocolate in hot water and cut this delicious bread cake. Breakfast is done or dinner. Okay, keep watching. Don't click out. Just know that I am watching you on my plasma TV. If you click out, I will know. As always, I love you all. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now. Keep watching. Don't click out. The video is not finished yet.
Come let's cook, come let's cook, come let's cook. Here in Nell's Kitchen TV, we teach how to cook all African delicacies. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Have you liked, have you shared, go ahead and subscribe. Turn on your notifications button. We got you, I love you all. Come let's cook, come let's cook, come let's cook. Here in Nell's Kitchen TV, we teach how to cook all African delicacies. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Have you liked, have you shared, go ahead and subscribe. Turn on your notifications button. We got you, I love you all. Come let's cook, come let's cook, come let's cook. Here in Nell's Kitchen TV, we teach how to cook all African delicacies. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Have you liked, have you shared, go ahead and subscribe. Turn on your notifications button. We got you, I love you all.